This occurred because of a heater core leak and a couple other leaks in the firewall and the COs underneath the cowl that went undetected for a few years. So be mindful as to what could occur. We got a heater core leak. So here's a 327 engine and an 84 K10. Here are the heater core connections right there. I have them disconnected and looped back, as you can see here. That way I can still drive the truck. The heater core you really only need for heat the cab. So perfectly fine to loop them just like that. But before I install the new heater core, I am going to run a pressure test. This is super easy to do. There's a new heater core. I'm not going to go through all the trouble of installing it. Just know that it has a leak or it's broken. So I got this little plug off Amazon. I'm going to plug this one right here. So you have two different size connections there. So this is plugged up. You don't want to run a lot of pressure through this because these heater cores are not designed to operate with a lot of pressure. So I'm going to put that in there for now, kind of standing up. Now I'm going to use is a simple bike pump. So I got a rubber stopper, just like the other one, and I just drill a small hole through it. That way the bike pump needle can reach through. All right, so we are completely submerged now. So you can see the water goes up pretty high. I'm gonna lay it down just a little bit more. All right, there we go. So heater core submerged up to the next, just about. Get a little bit of testing. And I'm just gonna push down slowly on this bike pump. You don't wanna apply any more than like really 8 to 15 PSI because you're not designed to operate under high pressure. As long as I don't see any bubbles, I am happy. So there we go, no bubbles at all. I'll do it once more. Just applying a little more pressure. No bubbles, that makes me happy. And in case you're unaware, the heater core is actually behind this right here in the dash. Okay, here's the old core. Now we're set up like we did our initial test. And you're going to be able to hear the hissing coming out from here once I apply pressure, and the water will begin to come out as well. There's the water, there's the hissing. So that was our issue right there. And you can tell that it had been leaking for some time based on all the discoloration.